Okay, I'm taking this video, making this video right now for the benefit of my affiliates in my program. And what I've learned through Mr. Cristani is that, this is not what they teach you online. Everybody's teaching entrepreneurship, and it can't be that way because of course you become an entrepreneur when you try to make money online and everything, and you quit your job and you go into something that's going to make you money. It could be running a restaurant, it could be selling cars, it could be doing anything. But you become an entrepreneur because you have control of your finances and everything from that point on out. You don't answer to anybody when it comes to paying your check. The money comes into you, and it all comes into you, and it doesn't get taken out by an employer or anything like that. That's what a job is, and that's just over broke. Okay? But the thing that you want to focus on is becoming an affiliate, because an affiliate takes well-branded models, and they take those models and they become affiliates for them. Okay, some of the well-branded names that are out there are McDonald's, 7-Eleven, Starbucks. There's oodles of them. But focus on the ones that are online, like Global Domains International, $25 one-up, plug-in profits. Some of those sites are well-known brands that are out there. And when you become an affiliate, you have your whole world opens up to making money from everything that's out there. That's known products that are very, very saleable, and you can make money with all of them. And then you have multiple streams of income. Okay, so what do people really need? People need a website designed to attract leads and sales for their business. 2, they need a legitimate, trusted traffic source so that they can target traffic to their website, get targeted traffic to their website. Now, here's the thing. I have the sources. We've got them in our training site out there, and anybody that's linked in to us through the Telegram service, messenger service, knows about these, because I've put it all over the Telegram, and they could see it out here. Okay, the only 3 things that are really needed to have a 6-figure marketing business, very dead simple 3 things. Okay, responsible for making John Cristani one of the top affiliates in the world. It makes him upwards of $50,000 per day. Now, the 3 steps: no product funnel. Basically, you have, you can do Facebook ads, but you can do a number of different ads. There's no limit to the ads that you can get online, and you can get clicks as low as 3 cents a click online. We show you that in the marketing material that we've got online as well. Okay, where you send them to is a pre-sales page. Basically, you're going to have a capture page in here somewhere, and you send them to a pre-sales page, and that pre-sales page becomes your salesman online for to market to everybody. Okay, the serious people are going to click and keep on going, and they're going to go over to the site. And those are buyers. That's what we call buyers. They're not tire kickers. They're nothing. By the time they get there, they've got their wallet out and they're ready to purchase. Okay, so that's the way that works. What I've done for my affiliates is I set them up into a affiliate program through ClickBank, and they, I work in conjunction with John Crestani's webinar, auto webinar and funnel system that he's got there. My affiliates can make $477.13 from each sale that they make. And the way that they do this is they click on the promote button once they go to ClickBank, and they join ClickBank, and then they log in to the marketplace, and they search for John Crestani's site, and they'll come up with this page right here. And then they click on promote. Now, what happens then, they go to a site on ClickBank that they put their username in, their ClickBank username. They go down here and they click on the fourth one down here, and they click generate hop links. Now, that's going to give them a hop link, and I don't think I actually saved that hop link anywhere, but you get the point. It gives you a hop link, and you copy it and save it somewhere, and then you're going to want to join Global Domains International, because you're going to get your website, and you're going to be able to link all this together and make money online. Okay? Now, when you get your website, you click on that previous page that I showed you there. You had your domain name down at the bottom of the page, and it's going to bring you to a page just like this here. You're going to click on continue, and it's going to take you to a page like this here. That spot right there is where you put in your link for John Crestani's page, and it's going to forward your new domain right to that link right there, and you mask it. You don't want anybody knowing what that's coming from or anything like that, because they're not going to judge you. They're going to be looking at the program, and they're going to think about the webinar that they're going to be sent to, and they're going to read about John Crestani, and that's going to make you money, because those people are going to sign up, and you won't have to worry about anything after that point. All right? So, if this has been helpful, let me know. If not, give me a call or message me on the Telegram service, and we'll take care of that. Thanks. Have a great day.